guys. Chill-chill lang muna sila. It's white sand. Ganda ba? Anyway, bye for now. Okay guys, so we're here. Ito na kami. With my friend. After the photo shoot. So, ganda naman. Yun nga. You can see us. Yan sila. Maliligo na daw kami.
Higa ka nga, higa ka.
Guys.
Ganyan, ganyan.
2, 3, go! Nice one. Next.
Alis ang tabi ka.
Handstand, isang paa lang. Oh, go, Flo!